Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a go-kart. First, let's understand the basic controls. You'll find two pedals, one for acceleration on the right and one for braking on the left. There's also one steering wheel. Before you even start, take a moment to locate these and any safety features. Adjust your seat so you're comfortable and have full control, ensuring your arms and legs have a slight bend. Once you're ready, gently press the accelerator to get moving. Avoid stomping on it. A smooth, gradual press will give you better control. When steering, think smooth and deliberate. Small adjustments are usually all you need. Look far ahead on the track, not just at the kart's nose. This helps you anticipate turns and plan your line, making your driving much more efficient and safer for everyone. Braking is crucial for good cornering. Always brake before the turn, not in the middle of it. Apply the brakes smoothly and progressively, then ease off as you enter the corner. As you pass the apex, which is the innermost point of the turn, gently begin to accelerate out. This technique, often called slow in, fast out, helps maintain momentum and control, ensuring a smooth and quick exit from the corner. Safety is paramount. Always wear your helmet and ensure you have closed-toe shoes. Maintain a safe distance from other karts. A good rule of thumb is at least 2 kart lengths. This gives you reaction time if someone ahead slows down unexpectedly. The more you practice, the better you'll become at understanding the kart's limits and the track's nuances. Consistent practice is the best way to refine your technique and enjoy the thrill of go-karting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.